Hello student, in this lecture we deal with the practical exercise number 1. In this we study the very important organization in marketing field, study of National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India. In this practical exercise we going to know about NAFED. The genesis. Genesis means how that NAFED is formed. Okay. The NAFED is an apex organization of the cooperative marketing structure founded in 1958. So you underline this point as NAFED is established in year 1958. It functions as the leader in the field of cooperative marketing within the country as well as in the export markets. Its membership consists of state-level federation, commodity federations, and selected districts and primary marketing federation. All these are the members of NAFED. It has 121 member institutions. Membership is open to primary marketing societies with a turnover of rupees 20 lakhs in advanced states and rupees 10 lakhs and above in cooperatively backward areas. 3,370 primary marketing societies have affiliated to NAFED as its member till date. NAFED has 31 branches located in all major port towns and capital cities of the states. These branches undertake procurement operation. Procurement means purchase of the commodity of NAFED, which are undertaken by state cooperative marketing federation and cooperative marketing societies in various states. This is all regarding the genesis of NAFED. Now we see very important point about the objectives of NAFED. So here I mention very important 5 objectives of NAFED. Number 1, to facilitate, coordinate and promote the marketing and trading activities of the cooperatives in agricultural and other commodities. Number 2, to undertake or promote on its own or on behalf of its member institution or the government organization, interstate, intrastate, international trade and undertake sale, purchase, import, export and distribution of agricultural commodities, horticultural and forestries. Number 3, to undertake purchase, sale and supply of agricultural products, marketing and processing machinery for agricultural, dairy, wool and other animal products. Number 4, to own and construct its own godowns and cold storage. And number 5, to act as an agent of government agency or cooperative institution for the purchase, sale, storage and distribution of agricultural, horticultural, forest and animal husbandry and dairy related products. To act as an insurance agent, also these are the another 5 objectives related with the NAFED. To act as an insurance agent, to organize consultancy work in various fields for the benefits of cooperatives, then to undertake manufacture of agricultural machinery, implements, processing and packing, to maintain transport units of its own or in collaboration with other organizations, and to collaborate with any international agency for development of cooperative marketing, processing activities, etc. Then the next objectives are to undertake marketing research and dissemination of market intelligence. Now see what is marketing research. Research related price concept, price behavior and market intelligence means related with the in market information, okay, updates related with the current market prices and other daily updates about the arrivals of commodities into that particular market. To subscribe to the share capital of other cooperatives, then to advance loan to its member and other cooperatives on the security of goods, and arranging training to employees of cooperative societies. So there were total 14 objectives, uh, to, total 14 objectives created, and with the view of fulfillment of these objectives, NAFED is generally established in our country. Now, management. What is management? Here, the whole management of NAFED comprises one board of director, okay, comprising one representative from each state, two from NCDC, National Cooperative Development Corporation, three representatives of the Government of India, one each from RBI, SBI, STC. STC means State Trading Corporation. So regarding STC, I also going to explain about STC in detail in my next exercise. National Cooperative Union of India and Bharat Krishak Samaj. So these are the total different members come together and they prepared board of directors, okay, and they manage the working and functioning of NAFED. Now share capital funds. The NAFED raises funds from number one, admission fee, okay, members collect such type of admission fee from members, share capital, grants in aid and donations, loans and deposits, profits. The share capital of NAFED consists of an undetermined number of shares of the value of rupees 5,000 each. So this is the main point related with the NAFED. Now, the last point, very important point about the operation or role of NAFED. Okay, so first role is in price support operation. Means our there will be one commission who engaged in price stabilization or price fluctuation, for controlling price stabilization, price fluctuation. We can call it as a CACP. So NAFED is also the member of CACP regarding the price support operations. Okay. Then internal trade, trade between different state, okay, or between different regions. So that is also one of the important operation of the NAFED. Then foreign trade, conduction of foreign trade means export and import of agricultural commodities. Then production and marketing of agricultural input. This is also the role of NAFED. Promotional activities. Promotional activities means related with the production, related with the marketing. Okay. Already we deal with the 4 P's of marketing mix. In that we also see the promotion factor. So that activity is also carried out to NAFED. Developing cooperative marketing of tribal produce. Tribal means the produce cultivated in backward areas, okay, tribal areas. So that is also the very important work carried out by NAFED. Setting of scientific storage systems, processing of fruits, vegetables and other products, distribution of agricultural machinery, and establishment of agro processing units. So these are the important role or operations carried out through NAFED. So NAFED is very, very important apex organization in cooperative marketing. So you have to know in detail about working objectives and functions of NAFED. Thank you very much.